in history. December 3rd, 1947, the first ever performance of A Streetcar Named Desire, written by Tennessee Williams, directed by Elia Kazan, starring Jessica Tandy, Carl Malden, Kim Hunter, and relatively unknown Marlon Brando. On opening night, the audience was so stunned by the brutal sexuality and violence that when the curtain dropped, they sat in stunned silence and then erupted into 30 minutes of applause. Fun fact, there was an actual streetcar named Desire in New Orleans, but then it changed to a bus line. A bus named Desire doesn't have quite the sensuality. Until tomorrow, and who am I? Well, whoever I am, I've always depended on the kindness